clean my windows. Wanted to take a minute and do something that I've been needing to do for almost 2 years. And some of these people I met when I was introduced to something called the No Name Nationals, and one of them is 6% recycled. And I have moved since I first received your sticker, and I just came across them. So I wanted to make sure and put them up, and so where I wouldn't misplace them. And dang it if I didn't misplace them while I put them up. So I did find them, and that goes for a couple of more that I'm going to show right after here. And now that I have a vehicle that I drive, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on. So 6% recycled. Welcome to Georgia. Next, Ole's Garage. I think he's up in the northwest of the country. Washington, Oregon, somewhere over there where it rains all the time. Sorry, Ole, it's taking me so long. But let's put you right on the window. Shopcat Industries. Met you on Country Boy Gas Garage, one of his lives, when he was doing the bus. And we started talking there and exchanged stickers. And he is in Canada, and he does small engine repair. And he fixes a lot of something called a snow machine. We just found out what snow was here in Georgia 2 weeks ago. We got about 5 inches of snow here, and today it's 80 degrees, so 2 weeks. Snow isn't normal here, but if you're interested in snow machine content or anything else that with a 5-horse engine, Shopcat gets you taken care of. Mike at Speed and Shine TV. Now Mike does a couple of things. He has a beautiful Maverick that he's been working on, and he also tours a lot of museums and does a lot of automotive interviewing, and it's quite entertaining and quite knowledgeable. So check him out, Speed and Shine TV. And we exchange stickers, and I think, Mike, I can't remember what it was, but I did remind you not too long ago that this was where we first met. I came across some kind of message, and where we first started messaging on some post. But anyway, glad to have met you. Thanks for the sticker. Thanks for putting mine up in your shop. I'm gonna put you right here. Now, this is the last one that I have found. So there's a few more of you that have sent me stickers, and please don't be upset. I've also put them in a safe place where I wouldn't lose them. And so, yes, they are safe, and yes, I have lost them, but they are here at the house. So when I come across them, I will update, and I will put you in that video. Lucky's DIY Garage. Now, I met Lucky 100% because I posted something of my excursion. And Lucky has an excursion this identical color. His is a V10, so was mine, but his is 2-wheel drive, and mine was 4-wheel drive. And so we shared a lot of the same comments and stuff like that. And Lucky is in San Diego, California, on the West Coast, and Lucky does all kinds of mechanic work and does it in a shop. Is great at what he does, and I appreciate him having helped me in some of the things that I've had to do, just sending questions. And lately he has just bought an old Ranger and is redoing it, and I think that's pretty cool because now we get to see a mid to late 90s Ranger get redone with him and his 2 sons. And so check out Lucky's DIY Garage. Okay, we'll put you right over here in the corner. All right, if I didn't get to your sticker, please don't be discouraged. If you would like your sticker to find its way onto my bullnose back glass, hit me up at my email address, hammerwrenchreno@gmail.com, and let's exchange some information, and you can send me your sticker. I'll send you one of mine. We'll get you a spot on the back window, and your sticker can get 8 miles a gallon, just like my truck. So, all right, on to this junkyard trim.